nowhere. If you poke around the labs and you hang around, the media lab here at MIT and other places, you can kind of get a feel for some of those things. And usually they're not quite possible, but all of a sudden you start to sense things coming together and the planets lining up to where this is now possible, or barely possible. And a window opens up. And it usually takes around, my experience anyway in my life has been, it takes around 5 years to create a commercial product that takes advantage of that technical window opening up. Sometimes you start before the window's quite open and you can't get through it and you push it up and you push it up. Sometimes it just takes a lot of work. Took that long, with the Apple II, took that long with the Mac, took a Lisa along the way, $100 million. It takes a while, it's a lot expensive to push those windows open.
И самое прекрасное, что теперь мы можем лично побеседовать с этим человеком. Переходи по ссылке в профиле, там все рассказано.